Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, to the Labor Day, Tuesday the 23rd. I'm here, people. 2023, and no work. Now going out in the eastern St.Thomas on the road. About 2 weeks now, I don't see nobody, people. I don't know what happened. I have to go find out from China Harbour if they wait for the big rain to come before them start back some work, my viewers and subscribers. But Labor Day, and we are going to check out some business place on the road here, to see what is going on the Labor Day activity. We have Triple R, Superette, that are a big green and orange color building there. And we have one hardware where they're down the road. Yeah, that are 4Gs. Where I told them have the thing there. The 30%. I told them have the 30% discount, people. I told them have the 30% discount. So stick and stay. Viewers and subscribers, Big Super, I endorse them at you in a Morant Bay St.Thomas. Because we're there with the hat man and we are giving some commercial and we are highlight the hat them. Because we know the girls them like them beautiful hat. So explain to me now, how them hat thing I go. Because I say every Sunday I go church and funeral and wedding and all these things. I see the ladies them, the female them hat out. Explain to me what I go on so.
Yeah man, they hat here, don't say we make them hat here, we buy them hat here and fix up the hat here. So we have velvet hat.
Yeah.
You understand? We have a straw at them.
Yeah.
And we have the normal thick hat here.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah. And come at the front, the black one here.
Them black one here pin on.
A pin on them there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this a bando.
And that is a bando.
Yeah, and them are pin on as well.
And then they are pin on as well.
Yeah.
And thing, and when we come up on the curtain, but what them are upstairs as now?
Them are crochet. Them are half hat.
Half a hat.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So big Super, we are endorse the hat sale, the hat man in the town of Morant Bay. People may ask them to support him and thing. And what you want to tell the people them out there?
Yeah man, the price is reasonable, you understand?
And thing.
Yeah, we have hat for 15, 2 grand, 3 grand, 2, 5.
Yeah.
You can even get hat for 2 grand too. Leave it.
Yeah.
But we sell church hat and then you can go wedding, funeral, church, reception, anything.
You hear that, people? So the hat man, Big Super, endorse the hat man in a Morant Bay St. Thomas. And if the people them see them nice, beautiful hat here and them want a hat, how them get in touch with you?
Just call me man, 366-1643.
Hear that, people? 366-1643. Big Super endorse the hat man in the town of Morant Bay. If you was see it there, me there right in front of Triple R. Me there right in front of Triple R. And me see the manager out there this morning. Me see a taxi driver park up. And you see how the road look nice and clean, people. And we're going to talk to management and find out what go on this morning at Triple R. Because, hi sweet lady. Hi morning. How are you? I'm good. Alright, Mrs. Say you look welcome in this morning. A Big Super stepping at the building. Okay. Turn the counter there. Make the world see you. And you tell them in less than 5 minutes how the sale look, how the holiday look, and how your morning look.
It's early now, it's early.
Yeah.
So we can't determine it, but everything is okay.
Yeah. But you hope that the day look promising.
Yes.
promising. And we welcome you and big up your shop. What's your shop name again?
Triple R Superette.
Triple R Super.
And the fashion store upstairs.
And the fashion store upstairs, people. And they're right in the heart at Prospect.
Prospect, man.
I know them call Prospect the Beverly Hills of St. Thomas. Alright, peace. So, Daddy, we have some more people out here, out on the street. I want to go on in the morning, Daddy.
There with the young one, we have a little.
Yeah, my viewers and stuff. Somebody there with the Alan, one of the manager at Triple R. And what your expectation today for the holiday, for the Labor Day?
Fine, pretty nice day.
Yeah.
Calm and cool and collective day.
Yeah.
With us out here, you know, and the little young one.
Yeah.
But more.
And I go and enjoy the morning.
Yeah,
and you have sail out on them, yeah?
Yeah, we are sail out and juice in the morning.
Alright, so you just put them out on the front of the
Just put
super.
them out on the front.
Alright, big up yourself. I hope you have a wonderful day. Alright?
Blessed.
Because we are going down at the hardware. Because we're supposed to launch the hardware this morning. So one love.
One love, big super.
Alright. So my viewers and sub, as you can see, we're out in our East Prospect. We're out in our East Prospect and we just leave the Triple R. We just leave out at the location at Triple R. And we are head down to 4G's to see what go on. Because 4G's him have a big, massive hardware sale that take place and we're going to take a trip to see how the morning I come on people and make you guys see some activity, make you see what really are going on. And me have to say this, that I respect the Prime Minister. I respect the Prime Minister, Andrew Onis, to roll back the pay hike. Yeah, I mean I ask the rest of Parliament here and everybody, Governor General, everybody in a Parliament. Only just do the right thing. I'll do a set. It look like a set him setting up. Because he roll back himself and say, you know, alright. But you know, so everybody have to roll back. So, all who know them never roll back, just do the right thing. Set up a committee and come up with a percentage where everybody can compatible with it. You understand? Whether I want 5% or I want to look at 10% like when you do regular people. Nobody deal with yourself like say, when some special people, the whole of we are one. The whole of we up on the ship, the same sinking ship. You understand what I said? So, when you just follow the Prime Minister and do the right thing. So, big super there out in our East Prospect. And what we notice that them run some yellow tape around them area people. You see it? Which is good, because when you run yellow tape around the area, it means you make the public aware that work are going. Sometime in the night, them tape are kind of visible to you in the night, you know. Yeah, in the night sometime, them tape are visible. You can see them when you drive and all them way there. So, it's a good thing. But my viewers and subscribers, over some 2 weeks now, we don't really see nobody. I don't know if them there are hide and work or what. But me up on the road every day. And me hear some other bloggers. I say the same thing. Yeah, my viewers and sub. Me hear some other bloggers. I say the same thing. I say they don't see nobody. So, my viewers and sub, just stick and stay. Got big super head down to 4G. We want to see where I go on at 4G. How the hardware, the early morning sale are going. And how the day look upon the Labor Day, yeah? And how the day I go pick up. And big super is here. So follow me. So we're out in our East Prospect, viewers and subscribers. And we see we see the residents them over there, so them do some cleaning up. Morning. I walk go 4G right there, so I go big them up. But when I go on it over there, when I go on and I clean up the front of the community. Alright, you go on do the thing, man. Big up. Alright. Some of you just see it. The residents them are clean up them place and thing, you know. Them do them look a Labor Day thing. And we are sure, you know, we are going on the road here. And them have a 30% discount. I go on over 4G this morning. Yeah. Make you a subscriber. And I don't see no excitement yet. But me I go over there go kick up a storm, I know people. But more you look on East Prospect, you know. The whole of the work them now. Everything yellow tape up, you see it people? Want to take a look. Want to take a look. The whole stretch of road now yellow tape up. So this is the Chinese them in business. Although I not see them for about 1-2 weeks now. But them look like them when they come back, look like them are come back in a full force. So my viewers and sub with the right in front of 4Gs in the morning now. And you know say 4Gs, yeah. You know say 4Gs have a sale. I go on over here. Yeah, if you notice you see a black rhino. I'm showing you the top of the building, you see it? Some big black rhino tank. I go on over here. Over here, put on top of the thing. And we're going to see if we see the management this morning in a 4G. To talk to him and ask him what go on in the shop this morning. I will see a customer in there, I deal with him. So stick and stay, people. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So we're there at 4Gs and we're there with the manager, see me himself. And how the morning looks so far, or the Labor Day look like it ought to start out.
Well, so far, it start bright as you see me. Just have a happy customer leaving a while ago.
Yeah. And what I'm turn on the people them see the vehicle go see happy customer leave the people.
Yes.
So we come back around to the manager and so the day look like it's a progress.
Yeah man, it look progressive and actually I started Labor Day still from yesterday.
You start from yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, because
I realized that a lot of people may need paint beforehand.
Yeah.
So I started yesterday and trust me, it was a great turnout.
Alright.
And I expect nothing less today.
Alright.
Because it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. Nothing less.
So you hear that my viewers and subscribers from the manager, 4Gs hardware. Just have yourself a super fine day and may the Lord continue to bless and keep you. Go on now.
Thank you very much, Big Super, and keep up the good work, man. And if you have the time to pass through in the day, which is going to be brilliant, because I have a lot of customer coming out. Yes, and it's going to be prizes and surprises. Some people is going to walk away with gifts.
Don't hear that, people?
Yes, people is going to walk away with gifts. I have some souvenir for some very special customers. So come on out, everybody.
Yeah.
Come on out. It's going to be great.
4Gs.
Yes.
Peace out.
All right. Thank you very much.
Some of you and sub, we're there in the town. And as you can see, not even dog no exists in the town of Morant there. You see there, see the sign there, Paul Burger. And we just take a walk through the town to see if any activity take place today upon Labor Day. Labor Day in the town of Morant Bay. So as you can see, my viewers and sub, the town of Morant Bay is pretty boring on a Labor Day.
Give back to the community, so get paid in the pedestrian and a part of the team, road safety.
Yeah, the road safety team.
Yeah.
So we're now going to brighten about this section here, right in front of the post office.
Post office.
Yeah, so we're going to take the day and complete it.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're glad for that, and the Big Super family welcome it, and I hope your day goes smooth.
Thank you.
All right, blessings. Some of you are on sub, as you can see, we're in the town of Morant Bay, and you see the Jenko folks them. I do them Labor Day project, and one of the projects them have in the town this morning is to put back the pedestrian crossing, brighten it up back, color this up back, and make it look presentable to the public. So Big Super is here, and it's been done by the FHC. So the name FHC Foundation people them are the sponsors. So stick and stay, people, as we go through the town of Morant Bay and show you guys the different project and sight and scene you can see in the town taking place out here on Labor Day. Thank you for another glorious walk We start out in East Prospect. We come through the town of Morant Bay and now we're there at the Rudolph Elder Park. I hope you enjoy this little Labor Day walk. Peace out. But there, I look on the Labor Day settings. People them down on the seafront there, as usual. I look about them fishing. Yeah, them have a nice little fishing morning and go on out there. I want them catch a whole of fish on Labor Day. Yeah man, big super. Yeah, we have the Rastaman people. We don't know him already.
Yes,
He is a famous artist also. What your artist name again?
Jati, you know.
Jati, alright.
Yeah,
Jati,
man.
what you have to tell the people them about Labor Day now?
Well, this don't look like a Labor Day today
Yeah.
because of the increase of the member of parliament in the House of Parliament. It have the place under a pause. Nobody doing anything today as now. Labor Day project back in St.Thomas here.
Yeah.
Because you know everybody we get upset about this.
Yeah.
You know, about the increase on our labor because me a farmer, you know, and there is not much to make. You understand? And we still have to give the government something out of what him done, help us to prepare by tax. You understand? By getting ourselves up to date in the agriculture and thing. But so you can see it right on for the day. It look like a Sunday. It even worse than a Sunday. A Sunday would have busy on this. And it's a Labor Day today.
Yeah.
So you can see the people them is so very fed up. Especially St. Thomas. No project today.
Alright. Peace out, Natty.
Blessing, man.
One love.
Highly blessed.